I've been doing for the last decade is working with students here at UW, but also working with community members from Alaska, where a bear guide provides me with bear intestine. And in the class, I teach the students how to process the bear intestine from literally scraping the shit out of it to creating it and making a jacket. Like that would be like this, but ours would be more horizontal. And so what we're doing now is trying to revitalize this knowledge by creating raincoats. And this is the original Gore-Tex.
Wow.
This is waterproof, and these were used on kayaks.
I mean,
in the
I'd
rain.
buy one and wear it if they still made them.
Yeah, no, this. You're looking at $10,000, but we can't sell bear gun. It's against the law. I can make one out of the seal and sell it, but I can't make one out of the bear gun and sell it. Yeah, this is bear intestine. Yeah,
So a bear guide, and then
they've been sending me the bear gut to process. Otherwise, they throw it away.